It's a coconut inside a coconut.
What?
Oh my gosh, that's like the root, the outer shell. Look at this. Holy moly. It's a coconut inside a coconut.
I think another coconut just fell down over
there.
there.
Look at those coconuts up there. But yeah, we're here in Costa Rica trying to get this open. Oh!
Wow.
What is that? Why is it like that? It's not water, it's just like congealed
Coconut pudding.
Try a little bit. It tastes better than the one from earlier. You want to try it? Look at that. Alright, let's try a little bit. I don't think this one's ripe.
Yeah, bro.
Look at that though. Beautiful color.
Wow.